Alright, so let's get going. We got MT03 2024. We're gonna put the Shogun frame slider, swing arm, bar end, spool end, whatever else comes in this kit. Got it off of motorsport.com or whatever. I think it was Motorsport. Maybe it was Revzilla. It's like $100 or some shit. Comes with bar end, frame slider, and spool sliders. So we'll install those and go from there. Alright, so this is the Shogun frame slider, axle spool, and bar end small install. You'll need a 8mm Alen and a 5mm Alen for this. Torque specs, they don't really say them even on the install, so tight is tight and too tight's broken. And we're gonna take apart the stock bar ends and start with those. Should just be take these off. Be careful because there will be like slimy grease, especially on your throttle side, all over it, wax, whatever it is. And take the new one, and they're beveled so they won't spin. So you'll be able to put it in there and then it will spin around and then stop when it drops into its little dip. That one's installed, and then we'll walk around the bike and take the other one out and install that one. Alright. Next ones we're gonna install are the slider spools. They go right into the frame. There's a little U-drop with an open hole and then a threaded hole. It'll go into the bottom one that's threaded. And then goes into that bottom hole. Just threads in like that. then we're gonna work our way to the other side. And this one only has a circle, doesn't have the open hole. So you only got one hole to put it in. Now, with this on, you'll be able to use the rear stand with these spools too. Now we're going to go to the frame slider, which is the 8mm, and it will be going into the trellis frame. Gotta pull these rubber grommets out. These ones are a lot harder, and they are engine mount bolts, so only do one at a time. Don't take them both out at the same time. For being a factory bolt, it's wobbly, which is insane, unless it's a off-pitched bolt. And then these bolts go in, they have a washer on them, slide in. Now I'll go to the other side. Do the other. Same thing. Pop the little rubber grommet out. And this. These ones I will be torquing. I'll look up the torque spec and put it in the description. But the other ones are just tighten them down, they'll be good. I was gonna say probably should get Loctite, but factory they didn't put Loctite on them, so I'm not doing it aftermarket either. And that's it. So that's the frame sliders, the bar end, and the axle spool, or the rear spool. It's not through the axle, but it's on the swing arm spools. Quick install. Keep the bike from getting scratched and dinged up when it falls. But hope you enjoy.